part C. It says solve the inequality, and we have the absolute value sign around our function here, 3x arc cos x. When is that greater than 1? Now there's two ways of thinking about this. What we can either do is we can graph the absolute value sign around our function, and that's going to push everything up above the x-axis, and we can find when that's greater than 1. Another way we can think about it is looking at my red drawings here. I can actually just try and find the x values where it's less than -1, which will be anywhere below this dotted line at -1, and find the x values, and when is it above +1, and that's essentially when the size, the absolute value of it, is greater than 1. So I've gone ahead and found a lot of these in red, these intersection points. As you can see here, I've graphed in black +1 and in red -1, and I've found all of my intersection points. So that's what these values are in red here. So for answering my question, using GDC, the x values where our function is less than -1 will be between -1 and -0.189. So -1, x will be equal to and greater than, but just less than -0.189, or between these 2 points here. So 0.254 x is greater than, it's not equal to, because it needs to be greater than, and less than 0.937. Okay, so there's a few ways to do that. I chose to just find when it's above +1 and below -1. Okay, that's the answer to part C.